Hello, welcome back to another session of programming tutorials and tips on object-oriented programming. In today's video, we're going to look at polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class, enabling the same method to perform different actions based on the object calling it. It describes the ability of something to have more than one form. Let's look at some points here. It says their parent class. Okay, so objects to be treated as instances of their parent class. Let's first create a parent class, which is a concrete class. So we are going to say class pet. Okay, enabling the same method to perform different actions based on the object calling. So the parent class should have a method. So we are going to create a method void make sound, and we are going to print different pets makes different sound. Okay, the last point here says that it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. So we should have other classes to inherit this parent class. So you can see allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class. So we should have different classes. Okay, so let's create so the parent class is pet, so we can create a child class which should be under pet. So we can have dog as a pet under the parents, and we can also have cats, and the last one, let's have a bird. Okay, so they have occurs when many classes that when you have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. So it should extend pets. Okay, so now these three classes are related to each other by inheritance. They are all inheriting from one single parent class. So that is polymorphism happening here. Okay, and it also says the object is treated as instances of their parent class, and it describes the ability of something to have more than one form. Okay, so we can see this make sound, print different birds makes different sound. So it is with a polymorphism, it will enable the same method, which is make sound, to perform different actions based on the object coordinates. So what we are going to do here is, assuming you are having an application, mobile application in your hand on your phone, not the mobile application can't be in your hand. So mobile application on your phone in your hand at the moment, your task is you take care of pets, and now you have the option to make let this pet, different pets, make sounds. All right, so there's just a single button for you to press for each pet to make a sound. All right, so this is what you have here, make sound. Now we know that a dog has its own sound that they produce, likewise cats and birds. All right, so it is the same button, make sound, that you are going to press. but based on the pet you press the button for, you're going to have a different sound. So that's what it says, to perform different actions based on the object calling it. So let's do this, and it also happens with overriding. Okay, so we're going to call the method make sound. So we have the method make sound here. Then we are going to print dogs the back. When you come to cats, let's call make sound. Okay, so print meow. Okay, then the last pet here we have is bird. So for birds, we will say chirp. Okay, so you are trying to get the concept of polymorphism from this pet-like game example we are having. So you have the option to click the button or hit a button for different pets to make sounds or produce sounds. So when you click on the button make sound, for dog it's bark, for cat it's meow, for bird it's chirp. Okay, so this is polymorphism. Let's look at how we use it. So we are going to create instance. Okay, so we are now come to work on what is stated here, treated as instances of their parent class. So we're going to create instance of each pet. So let's say dog is dog. Okay, the object we are calling is dog, but we can also, for polymorphism to happen, we are going to replace the var with the parent class that we created. So it is the ability for an object to be treated as an instance of its parent class. So the parent class is what they are inheriting from. Okay, the extends pet. So now pet is the parent class. So now the dog object is being treated as a pet, but the object here is dog, but it is treated as an instance of a pet. That's talking about the data type. So if it is a string here, meaning it is going to be treated as an instance of a string. Okay, but we have here as pet, so it is treated, the object is treated as an instance of pet, which is the parent class. So now we can utilize the methods. The method we have dog make sound. Okay, so we can also have our cats, which is also a pet, being treated as an instance of the parent class, and our bird. Okay, so cats dot make sound, and we have bird dot make sound. If we should run this, we are getting back meow and chirp. So a single button is being pressed make sound, but producing different functionalities. Okay, so different actions are being performed. So this is it about polymorphism. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing for more programming tutorials and tips like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.